In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a workspace item in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a quick copy of an existing item so you can reuse structure, preserve context, and save time on repetitive work. First, make sure you're looking at the board where the item you want to copy already lives. When you're ready, move your mouse so you're hovering over the item you want to duplicate. As you hover, you'll see additional controls appear around the item. This lets Monday.com know which row you're focusing on without clicking anything yet. Next, open the item's More Options menu. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the kebab menu, on either the left or the right side of the item, depending on your board's layout and the view you're using. Click that three-dot menu to reveal the actions available for that specific item. From the menu, choose Duplicate. This is the command that creates a new item based on the one you selected. As soon as you click Duplicate, you'll be asked to decide exactly what you want to copy over. You'll see three choices. Item only will copy the item's core structure and column values, perfect when you want the same setup without carrying over the conversation, history, or attachments. Item with updates will copy the item and its update thread, keeping the context of past discussions in place, which is helpful if you want the backstory available for reference. Item with files will copy the item and any attached files, ideal when you need the same documents to move forward. Confirm your selection and the duplicated item will appear directly below the original. It's placed there so you can spot it immediately and compare the two side by side. Depending on what you chose, the new item will mirror the original's details, updates, and files. Finally, rename or edit the new item as needed. Click into the item's name to give it a clear title, then adjust any fields like status, owner, dates, or numbers to reflect the new task or record. Think of this step as tailoring your template. Keep what's useful, update what's specific. If you don't see the duplicate option, you may be viewing a board where permissions limit that action, so check with your admin or try a different board. That's it. Hover, open the three-dot menu, select duplicate, choose what to include, and then refine the new item. With this workflow, you'll speed up your process and maintain consistency across your projects.